What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the country or region on your App Store for your iPhone or iPad. There are many reasons you might want to change the region associated with your Apple ID. For example, you might want to download apps or access services that are only available in a specific country. Or maybe you've moved to a different country and need to use its App Store. To get started, open the App Store on your device. In the top right corner, tap on your profile picture to access your account settings. Tap on your Apple ID. If prompted, enter your password to authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. Scroll down and select Country/Region. Then tap Change Country or Region. You will now see a list of countries. Select the one you want to switch to. After selecting the new country, Apple will present you with the terms and conditions of that region. Scroll down and tap on Agree to continue. You will now be asked to enter valid payment details for the selected region. You must fill in this information to complete the change, even if you don't plan to use the payment method right away. Once you've entered your payment details, tap Next to finalize the change. You've successfully changed the country or region using the App Store. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.